Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sarabjit Singh. Today I shall be demonstrating to you the use of glucometer, the way how to check your blood glucose using a glucometer. The glucometer today that I'm using is Dr. Morepen's glucometer, but most of the glucometers work the same way and I don't think you should have any problems. So let's go and see how you can use your glucometer. These are the things that you will require: the glucometer, the glucose testing strips. Make sure you check the expiry date. This is the finger pricking lancet pen. This is the lancet or the needle. And this is the alcohol swab. You can use spirit as well to clean your finger, which you are going to prick. Now here I'm trying to demonstrate to you how to set the depth of the lancet. Number 1 is very shallow, and number 5, the needle can go quite deep into your skin. So that is for skins. Number 5 is for skins which are thick or have got corns on them. Number 2 is for softer skins like younger girls. Usually number 3 should be fine for most people. So once you have primed your pen, you open up the alcohol swab and clean your finger with it. Before that, you must wash your hands with soap and water. Now before opening the box, you should prime the lancet by opening the cover. And putting the lancet in. Once the lancet goes in properly, and then you push it down to lock it, you break the top round plastic thingy, and the needle is now bare, and you close the cap. Now your pen is primed. You clean your finger once again with the alcohol swab, and usually side of your finger is a good place to prick because it is less painful. Now you open the box and very carefully take out one strip and immediately close the cap of this box. Now if you look at the strip, it has got an arrow which indicates in which direction it has to go into the glucometer. Once it goes in, the meter will start to show a droplet blinking. That means it is ready to receive blood at this moment. After this, you massage your finger a little bit so that sufficient blood comes into your finger, and then you prick. Gently press your finger to form a good sized blood drop. Don't press too hard, otherwise a false low reading will come. The moment the strip touches the blood, the machine starts to analyze it, and within 5 seconds your blood sugar level is shown. In my case here it is 72, which is quite fine. This is in milligrams per deciliter. Now once you have done the testing, you must dispose of the lancet and the strip in a safe manner. The best is to have a sharps box and then you dispose it off in a safe way. I hope you find this video useful, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that newer or better or different kinds of videos you do not miss. Thank you so much.